Alright, tell me.
Hey, so we got our hoop back today from the fabrication shop, and they did a pretty good job matching it to the contour of the seat, but it needs to be a little bit wider. I don't know if you can kind of see on the edge. It's not going to meet up to the parallel bars like it should, so we got this long ass rod that we're going to try and fit into here, and the reason it doesn't fit, oh shit, never mind, I don't have to go grind anymore. Actually no, I should, so we got to get it farther in, but I need to fit this over this so that I can put this hoop in the vise and then bend the shit out of it so that I can match that contour correctly. So they did a pretty good job. I paid $70 for this, which is kind of steep because it doesn't fit perfect, but you can fix that no problem. I'm gonna just grind this down, get it perfect outside diameter so that we can just shove it in there and work it. So got the grinder. Here we go. Alright, let's see how it fits. Cool. So I guess we're gonna try to fucking bend it now, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Dude, I got fucking nailed in the hand by one of those things.
Huh? Alright, Lucas, go ahead and bend it. Oh, you're bending it. Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's test it out before we go any further. Nice. Oh, shit. Can you pull it out? Oh, fuck that, huh? I'll put it in the vise. Don't worry, don't worry. Alright, Lucas, round two.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Nice, try that. Well, it does kind of flex back.
Yeah.
Yeah, could you go any farther?
Yeah.
Or did it feel like there's a lot of tension?
I mean, there's a bit of tension, yeah, but...
Okay, a little bit more. Okay, it's starting to bend the material, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if maybe maybe I can help out for a second. Yeah, let's see how that turned out. You won't. Oh, can you get it out? Oh shit! Nice, nice, good work.
Hook now.
Yeah, we fucked that thing up, huh? Hey, will you film this?
Yeah.
Let's check out the fitment on this. Let's see. You know what? We'll take it. I think that helped it a little bit. Oh yeah. Look,
Yeah, that helped it a lot.
that helped a lot.
So we got, yeah, on that side it looks a
Yeah.
lot better, and then, let's see. Yeah,
Yeah.
looks pretty good.
Nice. All right. It's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.